Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, you're not just looking at another vehicle. You're looking at a machine that feels like it came straight out of a futuristic action film. Meet the 2026 Titan Rescue 6x6, a massive, bold, and absolutely intimidating off-road expedition truck designed to dominate every terrain imaginable. From the very first glance, this vehicle doesn't whisper power, it screams it. The bright red industrial body instantly grabs attention. It's not just a color choice, it's a statement. This is a truck built to be seen, built to lead, and built to survive. The glossy finish combined with its armored styling gives it that perfect mix of aggression and luxury. It looks like a rescue vehicle, a military machine, and a high-end motorhome all fused into one unstoppable beast. Let's start with what defines this monster, the 6x6 drivetrain. 6 enormous all-terrain tires sit under those wide black fender flares, creating a stance that is both stable and terrifying. This setup isn't just for looks. A 6x6 configuration provides insane traction, superior weight distribution, and unmatched off-road capability. Mud, sand, snow, rocky mountains, this truck doesn't care. It's engineered to go where normal vehicles simply give up. And just look at those proportions. The Titan Rescue 6x6 is huge. Towering. Dominant. The reinforced steel chassis supports a body that feels almost architectural. This isn't just a truck, it's a moving fortress. Every panel, every angle, every line feels deliberate. Strong. Functional. Purpose-driven. Moving to the front, the design becomes even more aggressive. You get powerful modern LED headlights that cut through darkness like laser beams. The wide grille adds to that commanding presence, while the reinforced steel bumper reminds you that this machine is built for harsh environments. It's ready to handle obstacles, impacts, and extreme conditions without hesitation. But here's where things get truly interesting. Behind that heavy-duty cab sits something unexpected, a fully integrated luxury motorhome cabin. Yes, this isn't just an off-road truck. It's a complete mobile survival and expedition platform. Large rectangular tinted windows run along the side, giving it a sleek, premium look. The cabin blends seamlessly into the truck's body, creating a unified design that feels futuristic and incredibly refined. There's no awkward attachment or clumsy integration. Everything looks factory-built, concept-level clean, and ultra-modern. Now imagine stepping inside. Instead of a rugged, utilitarian interior, you're welcomed into a space that feels like a high-end luxury suite. Soft ambient LED lighting creates a warm, cinematic atmosphere. Premium materials surround you. Clean lines. Modern textures. A layout designed for comfort, functionality, and long-distance living. This is where adventure meets lifestyle. Long expeditions. Remote travel. Extreme environments. Disaster response missions. Luxury overlanding. This vehicle is designed to be more than transportation. It's a self-contained ecosystem. A command center. A mobile base. Look at the roof, and you'll see another layer of purpose. Roof-mounted equipment and storage modules enhance both practicality and visual impact. These elements suggest readiness, tools, supplies, survival gear, recovery equipment. Everything you'd need when venturing into the unknown. And that's the true identity of the Titan Rescue 6x6. It represents independence. Freedom from roads. Freedom from limits. Freedom from conventional design. Most vehicles are built for predictable environments, highways, cities, controlled conditions. But this machine is designed for unpredictability. For extremes. For scenarios where reliability isn't just important, it's critical. Yet despite its rugged mission, there's a strong luxury DNA running through it. The polished surfaces. The cinematic lighting reflections. The premium design language. This is survival engineering wrapped in high-end aesthetics. It doesn't look crude or purely functional. It looks expensive, sophisticated, futuristic. It feels like the kind of vehicle a billionaire explorer, elite rescue team, or sci-fi protagonist would drive. And that's what makes it so fascinating. It exists at the intersection of fantasy and realism. Everything about it feels dramatic, yet believable. The massive tires. Functional. The armored body. Logical for extreme environments. The motorhome cabin. Perfect for long missions. The roof equipment. Practical. Nothing feels random. Nothing feels exaggerated without reason. Even the showroom-style presentation enhances its presence. Under cinematic studio lighting, reflections dance across the glossy red body. The polished floor mirrors its colossal silhouette, emphasizing scale and power. It looks like a concept vehicle unveiled at a futuristic auto exhibition, the kind that stops people mid-walk. You can't ignore it, you can't mistake it, and you definitely can't compare it to ordinary trucks. Because the 2026 Titan Rescue 6x6 isn't trying to compete with normal vehicles. It's playing in an entirely different league. This is about extreme capability, extreme design, and extreme presence. It's a vision of what expedition vehicles could become when engineers stop thinking small. When designers stop following rules. When functionality and drama combine without compromise. So whether you see it as a rescue truck, a survival vehicle, a luxury overlander, or simply a rolling work of automotive art, one thing is certain. This machine leaves an impression. A strong one. Because vehicles like this don't just transport people. They tell a story. A story of power. A story of adventure. A story of pushing beyond limits. And honestly, that's what makes the Titan Rescue 6x6 so captivating. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most insane concept-style vehicles we've seen, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Where would you take this beast first? Desert, mountains, snow, apocalypse, open mouth smile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.